Hey guys, welcome back with another Lua game jailbreak video for PS4 v12.52. Today we're going to jailbreak the PS4 using the Lua games demo. So let's get started. First, launch the Lua game and make a save file. Once that's done, close the game and head over to Settings. Application Save Data Management and copy the game file to your USB. I've already done this step, so now let's move on to the PC or laptop in the Save Data folder. You'll need two specific files for the jailbreak. Just download them from the link in the description. Delete the original 4 files in the folder and replace them with the new ones. Then copy another file called payload.bin into the USB and rename it exactly as shown. Now eject the USB. After that, head back to your PS4, go again to Settings, Save Data Management, and copy the files from USB back to the system storage. Once it's done, launch the game again, and this time it will run the jailbreak. As you can see, the PS4 is now completely jailbroken. Now go into Settings, scroll down, and you'll notice the new Debug Settings option. From there, you'll be able to install PS4 games directly. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.